Hello, in this video I'm going to implement pose estimation. YOLO version 11, which is recently released, has the ability to apply pose estimation. It can detect the body human part, and also apply pose estimation on the body. So I'm going to show it on the video. So let's go and find it how. This is the original video. As you can see here, a girl is walking and all of the body parts are shown in the video, and I'm going to apply YOLO version 11 to this video and find the body parts on the video. So this is the pose estimation applying the YOLO version 11. As you can see, it connects the body parts with a yellow line, and as you can see, it detects left and right eye, also shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees, hips, and ankle. I didn't connect to the nose, and also it can detect the nose of the person. And I'm going to show you how to implement and write the code in Python using YOLO version 11 and PyCharm. So let's go and find it how. So this is the code to extract the human body parts, for example, nose, eyes, and shoulders, elbows, wrists, and knees, and ankles, and hips. As you can see, I used OpenCV and Ultralytics YOLO package to extract the skeleton of the body, human body, and the model is YOLO11N pose, and this is the model from YOLO, which detects the pose estimation of the human body, and it has N in its name because it is the lightest model that can detect the human body skeleton. So this is the very fast and easy one to detect the skeleton. If you want to use more complex models, you can use X to get the best model from the YOLO pose estimation. And here I show the say person.mp4 is the path to my video, saved video, and here I define the CV2 video capture. I use OpenCV to read the video, the saved video, and here I define width, height, and frame per second to detect the width and height of the frames in the video, and also frames per second. And then I define the codec to save the video, and also I give the name of my output saved video as person pose.mp4. Here I read the video, the saved video, and if it is a success, I will apply the model to my frames from the video, and it will be in results. The output will be in results. If the results if the model detects the person, the length and if the length would be greater than 0, I will find the result will be a list, only it has 1, and the length is only 1, and I extract the key points from the results 0, which is the first element, and also the last element. I find the key points, and then if the key points exist, I will get the X and Y attribute of the key points. Here, if the model detects 2 or more person from the frame, the XY list would be 3 dimension, and the first dimension will give back the person number that it detects. For example, if it detects 3 person, the first dimension of XY would be 3, and the first one would be index 0, the second would be index 1, and the third person would have index 2. And then I will get the first person. In my video only exists one person, so I will get the first person by index 0 from XY list, and it will give me 17. If it detects a person, it will have 17 elements, and the first elements would be noise, and the second would be left eye and right eye, and so on, up to the element 17, which is the right ankle. And if the model can't recognize the one body part, for example, the ankle and knees are not in the video part, are not shown in the video part, so the model will give back again 17 elements, but for the left knees and right knees, left ankle and right ankle, it will give back 0 0 for the position of x y. So x would be 0 and y would be 0. The points will refer to the top left part of the video, so if it doesn't detect that part of the body. And then I will draw a line from the some body parts to, for example, left eye. I will connect left eye to right eye, left shoulder to right shoulder, and also left part to left part to, and also right part to the right part. I connect them with each other to see the skeleton of the body. And then I will write the frame. I will draw these lines on the frame, and I will write the frame to the video that I saved before. And then I will release and write the video saved successfully. If it ends successfully without any error, and if it also output the result video as person pose .mp4 as the result of my video. As you can see, this is again my original video. It has only one person in the video, and then this is the result. You can see left part and right part are shown, and when some body parts are not shown in the video, it will detect it will refer to the top left of the frame. For example, now it didn't recognize the ankle, knees, so it will point to the top left part of the frame. So if you don't want to see these lines, you can omit these lines by adding a condition. If the x and y are 0 for each human body pose, it shouldn't write any line on the frame. So here, as you can see, you can write a condition. If both x and y are 0, don't write the cv2 dot line on the frame. Okay, this is the final output. I hope you enjoy and learn how to how to draw the lines on the video for the human skeleton. Thank you so much for listening and for your attention. If you enjoy, please like and share with your friends, and I will be happy if you have any question, write in the comments, and I will see you again in the next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.